Well, you know, it's hard to believe that just 2 weeks ago we were getting rid of our spring bedding. In fact, this is some that's left, the lovely violas and myosotis, and we were putting in the summer bedding. But I now want to think ahead to more spring bedding for next year and sowing from seed. Now, all of these are called biennials. So what do I mean by that? Well, what it is it's something that you sow now, it flowers for next year, then it either dies or you discard it. So at the moment I'm sowing wallflowers, but there are quite a range. So I've already mentioned the violas, the myosotis, we've also got pansies. And this is a very easy way to sow them, just into a drill, direct in the ground. And what I've done already is I've actually watered the drill and the base because the ground is so dry at the moment. I'm then going to just cover that up. And once it's totally covered, I would also water it in, but it's so important that the seeds are actually in contact with a bit of moisture so that they will germinate. And to take out the drill, all I use is the tip of the trowel. But as an alternative, because maybe you just have a balcony or a small decking area, what you could do is also sow them in modules. And here I've got a pansy, same sort of technique really, but if I just tap some of these out, all I'll do is use my finger as a bit of a dibber. I'm going to sprinkle, or just at the most, maybe half a dozen seeds there, cover it up. And that can then sit on your balcony, or perhaps if you have a cold frame, then give it a bit of protection. But again, make sure you water it well. And my suggestion with something like this, with the compost being so dry, is sit it in a tray of water, let the moisture go right the way up, and then you'll know that it's been well watered. And as a result, hopefully we're going to have lots of spring bedding for next year.